Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell your cryptocurrency on the Robinhood app. If you have invested in crypto and are looking to cash out or make a trade, the process is fairly straightforward. First, you need to open the Robinhood app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the cryptocurrency section by tapping on the crypto option at the bottom of the screen. Next, you will see a list of the cryptocurrencies you own. Select the specific cryptocurrency that you want to sell. After tapping on the cryptocurrency, you will be taken to its details page. Here, you will find options to buy or sell. Tap on the Sell button to initiate the selling process. You will then need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. You can either enter a dollar amount or the quantity of the asset. Once you have entered the amount, Robinhood will show you the estimated proceeds from the sale. Take a moment to review this information. If everything looks good, proceed by tapping the Review button. This will take you to a confirmation screen where you can double-check all the details before finalizing your transaction. If you are satisfied, tap on the Sell button to complete the sale. After you have successfully sold your cryptocurrency, the funds will be reflected in your cash balance on the app. You can choose to withdraw this cash to your bank account or use it for other investments within Robinhood. Remember that selling your crypto may have tax implications, so make sure to keep track of your transactions for your records. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.